Hi everyone, so I wanted to make a quick update on our market garden. It's early spring in a full swing, I would say. So let's walk through. As you can see, everything is blooming. Here are the apples starting to bud, the first leaves. Got some salad just planted there. Here is the cherry tree in full bloom. Here's a sea buckthorn leafing. Underneath, Swiss chard. We had some nice viola flowers earlier this week. Unfortunately, it didn't capture it. Here's the big sour cherry tree, full of white flowers. Another sour cherry tree. A lot of marigold flowers at the moment, flowering nicely. Rosemary in full bloom. Here we chopped some fig trees to make room for the light. Pink wild roses are budding nicely. They're gonna flower in a few weeks, approximately. Here are some greens, vegetables. Let me show you arugula, just planted, growing nicely. Here we got some chrysanthemums, marigold flowers there, another sour cherry tree here, just next to the chicken coops. Chickens are doing fine, as always. Here's some stinging nettle, nice and young, perfect for the tea. We got a rows, fava beans, broad beans, flowering already. Here we harvested arugula just yesterday, and we are ready to plant the new one. Here is the pruned fig tree next to the olive tree. We didn't yet prune that olive tree. Another fig tree pruned here. starting to bud nicely. You can see. This year we got a lot of loquat. The winter was mild, so a lot of them survived. Well, that's about it from this short update. Hope to update you as the seasons progress. Have a good one. See you next time.